Have you ever had just something pretty that you thought was pretty and you wanted to do something with it, but you just felt overwhelmed and you felt like that was beyond your capabilities? Well, don't feel bad, because I feel like that every time I gather something that I really like and want to use, and I don't know yet what I'm going to do with it, but I want to build something pretty, and I feel just overwhelmed for a little while. And then I remember my own rule number one: just get something down. Just start somewhere, and then it will grow and it will help you to know what it needs. So I'm going to do that with this. I don't know exactly where I'm going with it. I found this piece of fabric that I just love the colors of. I had some of this beautiful linen and a couple of pieces of trim that came off of this dress, just, that I thought, okay, we can do something with that. And we have some blue linen here, and I have this little piece that seemed to go well with it too. So, I'm going to fall back on one of the things I love the most, and that's florals. And I just never get tired of making them. So I'm thinking that's where I'm going to go with this. So let's see what we might do here. This is a pretty good sized piece of fabric, as you can tell, laid out this way. So what if I use this for a big old flower? It's already kind of flower shaped, so why don't we use that? And then those other two little things, they could be flower buds, so they could be leaves. I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. Let's kind of do it like that. Now this is beautiful and gorgeous. What if I used it for the base of this flower? Oh man, I like that. That is pretty, isn't it? That is very pretty. Now, what can I do to make that look a little... Let's see. What if I took a little of this? It's kind of fringy on top, and just squinched it up. What if I put it under the center of that? Just giving it a little audition here as a base for that. That's kind of pretty too. Nothing perfect. But you know what? I'm going to pin that because I like that really well. And I just don't want to lose that concept. So let's just pin it in place so we don't. Okay, I like that. It's soft, it's pretty. I think I need maybe some on the outside. Let's see if that'll work. Not very much, just a little. Let's see if we... Whoops. Lifted that up. And tuck that under. Way under. Just leaving a little bit. That's not quite doing it. I think I'm going going to have to do something else up those edges. But meanwhile, what if I use this as the stem? That might make some sense with it coming up underneath the middle part of that flower. Let's try that concept. Remember, if everything is auditioned, it's tried out. If it doesn't work, you just take it up. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's do something like that. Stick that up there like that. Okay, that's still looking pretty. Where might we use these? Could that be a leaf? Sure could. All right. Now though, we need something, not quite sure what. Let me look around here. I think I have some stuff in here that might work. Yeah, my little, let's see if this little grassy stuff would look right. Let's pull it up out of there. Got everything else in there. Let's see, I just need something that maybe came up. I got to find the right end because this wispy stuff has direction. By direction, you see it looks like it's growing upwards, and you wouldn't want to turn it upside down. So let's try tucking it in here. Let's go under here, up and into. Let's get some more length out of there. Now, up under this, maybe go over there and down like that. Might be cute. Or I could come all the way out here and turn it inwards, out and inwards, out and upwards. I kind of like that, but what am I going to put on there? I could put something up and along in here. I'm going to try that. Then I'm going to do, let's try one that just comes like over here, and further up and around. I like that one also. Let's tie it in right there. I kind of like that. Then what if we had one that just simply came out the top? I don't know. We'll wait on that one. No, let's see. How would we do that? We could just stick a couple of small ones up there. Let's see if we can get them to work. We just need to pull this back and let it play it there. Oh, that's kind of cute, isn't it? I think we need something coming up through there to make those pieces make sense. Okay, gotta find the end again. Okay, I need about that much. Again. Alrighty, that might be really pretty. Get that all stitched down. Embellish some of these elements. Do you see the key of just getting something down and then playing from there? Because if you don't ever start, you'll never create anything. And if you create something you don't like, you just do it over again. That's not hard. And this concept of I can't do it because I don't have the talent, I don't know where to start. Start somewhere, just somewhere, and the piece will help you to know what else it needs. Okay, so we're going to fly with this idea right here until it says stop. And because I do like it. It's fibery, it's beautiful colors, and it's inspirational. It makes me want to do something more beautiful with it. So put as many pins in it as you need to keep your design, and take them out as you stitch, and you can free up your areas. Okay, all right. Now, I think I'll put that away. Get rid of that. I don't think I need any more of this, so I'll put that away. Now, I may need, and I probably will, I might do some little circles of blue. We'll see what else I might need here. But that is the beginning. Do you see that? That is a beginning. And we can work with that. And we'll just see what else we can embellish, what we can do with that once we get some of our basic things down. Okay, that's just a simple little video on how might you start a piece of fiber art. A piece of something for a gift, something for your home, a wall hanging, a pillow cover, anything that you want it to be, okay? This would be beautiful. Just if it's finished up and it's as pretty as I think, it'd be beautiful applique to a skirt, or maybe the back of a blouse, or just anything, really. All right, let's go with that. And until next time, let's all stay very scrap happy.